Welcome to EAS number 2500.
And low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Montgomery and Paulton and along near Armstrong Creek.
Yeah, I missed. I was on the turret when the actual alert was issued, but then here's the flash flood statement.
Stay away or be swept away. River banks and culverts can become unstable and unsafe. Report flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 800-401-9535 when you can do so safely. Eastern Daylight Time. A flash flood warning remains in effect until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Fayette, West Virginia.
Deals for businesses like the Honeycomb, Bad Daddy's, Kiroos, and more. Just at
Issued at 4:30 p.m. Tonight,
Morning for the following county: Fayette, West Virginia. Warning remains in effect until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening for West Central Florida counties. By 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Roadto radar indicates thunderstorms projecting heavy rain across the area.
Between 1 and 2 inches of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts observed for
What are you doing, Sage? Oh. He's on a weekly somewhere. I dropped the bell thing.
Chance of rain 70%. Friday night, showers with a chance of thunderstorms. Lows in the upper 50s. Light and variable winds. Chance of rain 90%. The extended forecast for the WXJ84 listening area. Saturday and Saturday night, showers and a chance of thunderstorms. Highs in the mid-70s. Lows around 60. Chance of rain near 100%.
Blam.